Hi, I'm Callie Lewis. You're watching Geek Brief TV. This is Brief 183. No Apple talk, I promise. Instead, home automation. Home automation isn't just for the super rich or super technical anymore. If you've been dreaming of total control over your lighting, your audio, your thermostat, and security, Control4's Home Controller HC300 might be an ideal solution. It's a smart-looking controller, but it's the 720p user interface that has everyone buzzing. Lights, audio, thermostats, and security throughout your whole house are controlled using a low-power, short-distance wireless technology called Zigbee. The controller sells for $6.99. You add some money to that for Zigbee-compatible connections, but still, it's a relatively low price. I've been using a service for a while called GrandCentral. I haven't covered it on the brief because it isn't new. If you haven't heard about it yet, GrandCentral gives you a phone number with the area code you choose, and that number forwards to your home number, your mobile number, and more. My favorite feature is the ability to block calls from callers you don't want to talk to. You can also send all calls from a particular caller directly to voicemail. There are also some features that are fun extras, like the ability to replace the traditional ring a caller hears with an MP3 file that you choose. GrandCentral is free while it's in public beta. The one issue I'm hoping they'll fix is that two GrandCentral numbers can't forward to a shared home number. Neil and I have different mobile numbers, of course, but we would like to be able to forward to each of our mobiles and to our shared home number. Long, long ago, in a land, well, really pretty close to where we live now, Neil and I developed websites. One of the hassles of web development is that people insist on using different browsers, and not all browsers comply with web development standards in the same way. That means a site might render different for different users. If you're developing on a Mac or in Linux, you need a way to see how your site will look on Internet Explorer. A web app called NetRender lets you do that. You browse to the site, type in the URL of your design, and you'll see how it looks in Explorer. I'm all about the wireless, but I have to admit I'm really surprised that wireless electricity is on its way. Wired chargers work the same way electronic toothbrushes charge. It's called inductive charging, and all you have to do is lay your device on the charging surface. Wired chargers will be available July 9th, way sooner than I'd ever have thought. Millions of American kids learned that science can be fun from Mr. Wizard Don Herbert. He passed away today at the age of 89. He had multiple myeloma. His science show started in 1951 on NBC. He made appearances on The Tonight Show and David Letterman, and he was on Nickelodeon from 1983 to 1990. According to his website, MrWizardStudios.com, he suffered for a long time and his family is saddened that he's gone, but relieved that he's out of pain. Once again, cancer sucks. Sunday is Father's Day, and the maker of one of my favorite gadgets, the QuickPod, is offering a discount to Geek Brief viewers. Details are in the show notes at geekbrief.tv. There's also a new version of the QuickPod that adds a little mirror so you can frame your self-portraits more accurately. Very cool. I'm Callie Lewis. Enjoy your technology. Bye.